Hey guys, Randy here, and today we're gonna be magically turning heavy whipping cream and salt into butter magically.
And for those of you who don't know, I'm Viz.
Yep, the link will be in the description for her channel.
Alright, so you're
Let's
going to
get
start
started.
by taking just a little pinch of the salt, putting it in your bottle.
Like that?
Yep, just a little tiny bit.
Okay.
That's all you need, I believe. You
Salt.
might go about that much more. And don't put it in your eyes because that hurts.
I didn't mean to.
You're supposed to put it in the bottle.
I didn't mean to put it in my eyes.
And apparently get it all over your fingers because
Got it.
for whatever reason.
But now it's mixing in with the water that's still in.
Perfectly okay. So now you're going to fill your bottle up approximately 1/8 of
Can
the
you
way.
do this for me? Because I'm
Um,
gonna make a mess. Put it down.
So you're going to go about that much. Like right in, like not even to that line, just a little bit
This
below
one?
that
Okay.
line.
This one?
Like not even to it, like just barely past here.
Here?
Yep.
I'm just gonna set this here so I don't like spill it on the carpet.
Here. I'm still here. Just behind the curtain. Where did the salt go? Oh, it's on the sides.
Like dissolved into the water.
No, it's on the sides of mine.
Okay, I think I got it. So about the bottle. I'm trying to show them. So about that much.
That's about the maximum. So
Okay.
I mean, it'll work, but you don't want to go any fuller than that.
Okay.
Okay, can you? I
Yeah.
wanna
Then
scoop a bit.
scoot a bit.
Yeah, so I can.
Put your lid on.
Yeah.
You need help?
This over there.
No, I was making sure my lid was close by. There you said.
That'll work.
We close the heavy whipping cream
Put your lid on
tight.
tight,
Tight.
like
Tighten it.
tight as you can get it.
Thank you.
Now you're gonna shake that.
A whole
And
lot.
shake it and shake it. First thing it's gonna do is it's gonna turn into whipped cream,
Yeah, I know.
and it's gonna feel like it's not doing anything for a while. So then you kind of tamp it down a little bit, and then shake it some more, and then tamp it and shake it some more. Go until it turns yellow.
Oh, that's so weird. It's like squishing.
Yeah.
Keep
Little guest cameo here. I'm
Gibson Show.
Mr. Gibson K Show, and I'm watching these guys shaking these bottles, wondering what's going on. And they're cute, but they're weird.
Well, we're making butter.
But you're not supposed to because it's bad for the picture quality.
I didn't get the camera. It's not working.
It is too
Oh.
working. See how it's starting to separate? Show them on the camera how it's starting to
Yes.
separate.
You can see the small spots in here. That's probably just from me shaking it.
That's it's starting,
starting
to
to
separate
separate.
into the butter and the buttermilk.
Yeah.
Keep shaking. Like it'll
Is
get
yours like that, sis?
No.
starting to.
Oh, what? No, this is where the.
Well, yeah, but you can
I
see
know.
through it.
Can I? Not
Like
really.
his is probably going quicker because it wasn't as full.
Exactly.
Or he's shaking it more.
I did have more heavy whipping cream to begin with.
look at the bottle.
Getting really close. I can actually kind of see all the way through his bottle almost.
Tilt it down. See how it's just got those chunks on the side? Keep shaking.
I can flick them and they go away. Sometimes. Oh! Oh, it's pretty much completely clear.
I suppose you could kind of make ice cream in a bottle.
Yeah.
You could. It's easier to do in a plastic bag though.
Yours is done.
Yeah. Mine's not.
No. Show them on the camera, see how it's got the buttermilk and then it's got the butter in there?
So you guys see there's this buttermilk, and then if you look at it carefully, you'll see that there's
Sitting
also
there.
butter inside. That's how you can tell you're good.
So
Also,
now all you
it's
got left to
completely
do is drain the buttermilk out. If you want to keep it for a recipe, you can, but there's not very much in there, and I don't plan on making anything with buttermilk today. And then separate it out, rinse the butter so that it doesn't keep the buttermilk on it or it'll go rancid quickly. And you have butter, homemade. Kind of get some water going here down the sink.
I opened it. Yep, that's a chunk of butter.
Pass a chunk of butter.
See? Butter.
So now go ahead and drain your buttermilk out of there.
Oh!
The butter won't fall out through the.
Butter's too
Yeah, but it
much.
clogs it.
Okay, now you're gonna put a little bit of water in there,
Okay.
like enough to cover the butter completely.
Okay, but it
Put your lid back on.
and then shake it.
Shake it some more to clean it out so that you can get all the buttermilk out of there, because otherwise it'll go rancid.
And she's still working on hers. This is
Sit
why I can't close things. Like that.
Yep, shake it out real good.
The butter's breaking.
Bud, you're not in frame very well. Come this way.
Butter is breaking.
Butter.
All right, now rinse that out, like pour that out again. Make sure you don't pour butter in the sink.
I'll try not to.
Tamping it down.
Yep.
And as you can see, the butter got really fluffy.
Now he has nice, fresh, fluffy, homemade butter that he can use on
Whatever.
toast or pancakes or
Let's put it on toast.
anything he wants.
Still going. It's a long process when you have too much heavy whipping cream. Oh,
You need to
butter.
rinse that out until it's clear.
Uh-oh.
Like, see how it's still milky?
Yeah.
You need to go until it's clear.
That's
Okay.
still warm.
Yeah, it is.
I can feel it on my back.
So do I still have to shake it?
Yep. But not much. It's starting. It's clumping up. It's
Fine.
clearing out. You're getting there. Just need some real
That made a
hard
mess.
shakes.
Do I have the arm power for this right now?
I made a mess.
Find out
Soon.
next time on Randomness W.
No. I'm probably gonna edit it together if we have to stop.
It was a joke. It's supposed to be like next time on Dragon Ball Z.
Or next time on Full Metal Alchemist.
Or
Pretty
the
much any.
epic meal times thing. And next time, we eat waffles.
Yeah.
So what are we doing next
What do you
time?
got? What do you got? I'm hearing noises.
I got.
Oh, you're getting real close.
Ooh, nice. Ow, my hand hurts from closing this.
Is the clump moving?
Is that good?
Look at your clump now. Got a big old clump of butter in there.
Sweet.
I have a smaller clump in there that's like not attached to it, and it's sloshing around in the buttercream. Or buttermilk.
Go ahead and rinse.
All
Get
right.
ready.
Ugh. Butter keeps on getting in the way. There, mine's good. There's no more water in it. And the water
Awesome.
that is there is pretty clear. So I think we're good. So how do we get the butter out?
Just cut the bottle around it.
Well, maybe we'll have to show them that too.
Might have to have adult supervision for that.
Yeah, we've got adult supervision.
Do we really though?
Yes.
I'm right here.
No, not you, dog. You're not an adult.
Another cameo by Mr. Show. I want butter.
That's not
You
enough water
always
there.
want things like that.
Well,
Ooh, you got a lot of butter.
she had a lot more to start.
Yeah.
I did a reasonable amount.
Oh, you be quiet.
She did a reasonable amount too, but
She did the max. I have an idea of how to get the butter out.
I mean, when I did it, I just cut the bottle off, top of the bottle off,
You
and
could squeeze it.
yeah.
But it'll probably be in a tube shape if you do that.
I have tube-shaped butter.
That's square tube.
Now you got a big old chunk. Rinse her out one more time, and it'll
Yep.
kind of solid, make it more solid, solidify. And you want to use as cold of water as possible when you're doing your rinsing.
Which way is cold?
To the right.
Okay.
Getting close.
Hi! This is still my channel.
Oh, don't worry. We all know that.
And if we need to cut anything out, we might be able to put it on your channel too.
Well, shush.
Why?
Shush.
Why?
Sniff
Yes, I'm sniffing and I want to see if it smells like butter.
it. It does.
Mine smelled like soda because it's in a soda bottle.
Yeah, it still smells like soda.
See, mine was like yours, how the whole bottle was coated with butter. I don't know how his came out so
Clean.
clean.
Because when I rinsed it, and also I didn't use as much heavy whipping cream.
Yeah.
Or do we want to cut the bottles open?
Let's cut the
We
bottles.
got the bottles open.
You might want adult supervision. We have adult supervision. Don't put him in the shot.
I'm doing what I want.
I need to poke a hole in it first. I gotta get a
Nice.
sharp tip knife. Alright. Then you just simply
Poke it carefully with adult supervision. Or have the adult do it. I figured we would cut the rest with the scissors.
you figured wrong.
Okay.
And there you have it.
Okay, let's get a
Homemade
plate.
butter.
No. Paper towel. Are we
So
gonna-
washed out.
That's a nice, good-looking ball of smooth butter.
It was. That turned out really well.
I'm gonna put the butter on
Just leave it in there.
I'm gonna put it on the paper towel.
No, because if you leave it in there, then you can just put a piece of plastic wrap over it and use that as your container.
Oh, okay. Or we could do what we did with the other butter. Put it on a plate and put aluminum foil over it.
You do realize butter spoils.
That's what we did. That was loud. That's really chunky.
Guess some chunky butter.
Don't they make
Easy to
that?
spread.
Yeah,
Chunky butter?
chunky butter.
I don't think so.
Whipped butter.
Whipped, chunky.
Now let's make whipped cream.
We did.
No, I meant like, and actually keep it as whipped cream.
Bon job. You got anything to say?
I just made butter.
Okay.
Next time on Random SW, we won't be making butter.
You can eat the butter on your next episode.
The next time on
I could.
Random SW,
We'll make,
eating butter on toast.
make toast.
Yes, let's make toast. Where's the toaster?
Away.
I don't know where
It's
we
in
put the toaster
the
here.
cabinet down there, so the far right cabinet,
This one?
yes.
I'm
And
So
probably
hungry.
top shelf.
Toaster? Toaster.
You just ate breakfast though.
I mean, if you really want
A piece of toast, go for it.
Okay guys, so that was us making butter. We've got a nice bottle of butter. Well, small bottle of butter. Mine's on bottom.
It's all one butter now.
Crazy, it smells good.
And so yeah, next episode we're probably gonna be eating it on toast.
We were joking. We weren't being serious.
So
Maybe,
it's
I don't
tasty.
Oh.
But yeah, we might be eating it on toast. We'll have to toast bread to do that. And Gibson
Gibson making another cameo.
Bye.
says bye. So
Bye.